Doctor, the vitals are stable.
Oh, I must have had a bad dream. I better open the door and see who's ringing. Oh, it's a package. Let's get it inside and have a look what it contains. It's a warehouse. This bird looks beautiful. This tree looks dead. I wonder who took that photo. I wonder what's inside those boxes. Is this in Scotland? No, I'm feeling tired. Oh, I recognize that. It's the bird from the photo I looked at before. Oh, it's alive. Cute.
Aha! So you think I'm cute, eh?
You know that I'm the Death Raven that announces the war?
Wait, what? Why are you talking? You're not supposed to talk.
Oh, but I talk. I'm the warning sign. The battle cry. It's inevitable. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming.
It's empty. It's empty. It's empty. It's empty. It's empty. It's too dark over there. I need something to lighten it up. It's empty. They are coming for you. What is that supposed to mean? Who are they? And why would they come for me? Who are they? Who are they? It's a flashlight. What was that? I think I just heard something. You know what? I think I should get out of here. It's the bricks. I need to move the bricks. Come on, move the bricks in the wall already. I have to move the bricks to get out. I know it. If I move them in the correct order, I will get out. Move the bricks already. Hurry up.
Doctor, his vitals have been unstable this morning.
Oh, I must have had a bad dream. I better open the door and see who's ringing. Oh, it's a package. Let's get it inside and have a look what it contains. Oh nice, the bird is gone. He was kind of annoying. Caroline, what are you doing here? Let's get you out of that box. Caroline, what's wrong? Caroline, say something. What's happening? Caroline, Caroline.
Doctor, his vitals are degenerating very fast.
Oh, I must have had a bad dream. I better open the door and see who's ringing. Oh, it's a package. Oh, I didn't even notice that door last time I was here. Oh, it's a tunnel. Phew, this tunnel is long. Let's keep going. I see the end for sure. Just a few more steps. Almost there. My God. Oh, I must have reached the end of the tunnel.
They told me not to go. They told me. But they're hungry. They always hungry. They told me not to eat, but they too hungry. Huh? Hello, you. I've been waiting for you. I have been waiting for all of you. Oh, but didn't you know that they're much more efficient when you watch me through the screen? Let me in! Let me in! That's what they say. And I could not keep them out. There is too many of them. And they're coming for me. They're coming for all of us. He's hungry. He's hungry now too. Now he rolls and crouches on the ground from hunger. He needs fresh blood. Fresh blood. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. Don't look at him in the corner.
Wait a second. Is he looking at me?
Hello, you.
Run! Run! There's a wolf! What do I do? Where do I go? What do I do? What do I do?
Doctor, I will have to have a word with you for patient 103.
Yes? Which one was patient 103 again?
It is our newest patient in our experimentation line to keep brains artificially alive.
I see. And?
After 2 months, we now will have to unplug him. His brain tissue is too degenerated.
Okay, I understand. What again was the patient's background?
The patient was a military asset. He was killed by a planned terrorist attack. Someone sent him explosives in a package to his apartment. When the package exploded, half of his brain was blown up. But we were able to keep the other half of the brain alive and conduct a valuable research on it.
Okay. We'll unplug him then if it's necessary. But send me all the gathered data right away as soon as it is done.
Will do, sir.
He's gone.